Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Kingdom Forex. Now, I want to show you exactly what uptrend, downtrend, or sideways look like. Actually, we have three type of trend. We have the uptrend, the downtrend, and sideways. So, now, okay, this is USDJPY. Let's get started. This is USDJPY. Now, as a matter of fact, USDJPY has been trending high for some time now. Here, it has been trending high for some time now. And what can we say? It has been moving bullish, like it's going high. It's moving high. It's going up for some time now. Now, how to know the trend? You'll be creating a series of higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Now, for example, look at it. You can see higher high, higher low, higher high. Let me remove this one. Get it off there so you can understand. So higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. That's kind of a sideways movement here, then higher high. Can you see? That is an uptrend. Like if you can ask anybody, like okay, where do you think this market is going? They will say it's going up. That means the market is bullish, it's going up, it's buying. So at this type of market, you buy. We buy when we see that it's going up. When we see that market is going up, we buy then. So, but here, let's say a typical example of a downtrend. Let me see if we can get one around here. Okay, all right. This is a downtrend. So here we have a typical example of a downtrend. Now, market has been going lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Now, you can ask anybody that where is this market going? They will tell you that it's moving down from here to this place, from here to this place. They will tell you that the market is going down, or anybody can see that it's going down. You know it. So that means it will be creating, in order for you to determine, to know the trend, you will see market creating lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Now, can you get that? Then if you actually want to get the sideways, that's how market move. It's either a move in uptrend, higher high, higher low, or lower low, lower high, or sideways. Now let's have an example of a sideways movement. An example of a sideways movement. I guess I saw one then. So I guess I saw one. Okay, good. Let me zoom this out so you can see clearer. Okay, let's do it like this. This place, the movement from here to here, here to here, we call it sideways. They are just moving from side to side. No actual trend. From side to side, moving from up, down, just within at like kind of a rectangular move. So that's it. You can actually see that the market is moving sideways. That's a typical example of a sideways movement, a sideways trend, a sideways trend. Let me show you an example again on GBP USD. Yes, on GBP USD, yes, on GBP USD. Market is as well creating, I think it's on GBP USD now. Market is somehow going down, like creating, yes, it's going down right now. Okay, good. Now, as a matter of fact, if we should see this, now market has started creating from here. Okay, yes, let's start from here. Now from here, we see that market started creating lower low, coming down, like come down, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. This is an example of a sideways movement. A sideways movement. Yep, you can call this a sideways movement. A sideways trend, a movement or sideways trend. Whatever which is yeah, a sideways trend. So creating lower low, lower high, lower low, then started moving, bouncing from here to here, from here to here. Can you see? From here before I broke it down, as I move up again. So, but the movement between here, the movement between here and here and here and here, we call it sideways. It goes just inside. Yeah. Now, inside the trend, inside downtrend, you can see uptrend, you can see downtrend. Inside of uptrend, you will see downtrend, you see a downtrend, probably a mini downtrend, and a sideways, inside an uptrend. Then inside a downtrend, you can see a mini uptrend and a sideways. So just this just it. Lower low, lower high, lower low, a sideways, inside downtrend. Then we started having coming down, again, like created low. When it got to this place, started creating another uptrend. Look at it, this high broke all this thing, all this structure here, broke it up and came down. Then we started seeing higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Can you see? And the got couldn't move again. This is a typical example of a sideways again. Let's take a look. A typical example of a sideways that just moving just side to side, side to side. Look at it. Very good. Can you see? Moving, bouncing from here to here, from here to here, from here to here. Before it broke it down, I started going like broke it down again. Couldn't break it. Before we now see another break inside again. Started trending up and up. But inside here, you see that this market is was creating or has created a sideways here, 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 here. Can you see? So some people trade from here. From here, some people will sell from here to this place, and some people will buy from here to this place. That's how they trade. Now, as if you want to buy a market that is trending up, from here you see that this market actually broke up. Then it's a typical sign. It's a sign for us to know that okay, it's a sign for us to know actually that it seems this market wants to go up, wants to trade up. So a pullback, you now start saying some people will buy from this zone here. Some people will buy, like me, I will buy from here. This is a very good place for someone to buy from this market. Can you see it started moving up? If you buy from here, you buy your trade from here to here, it will give you very good money. Then you come down again. Then you now see higher high, higher low. Then another place for you to buy is this place. You can also buy from here. It's another place for you to buy from here. Then you buy up again. Then come down, create another higher high and higher low. It's another place for you else again to buy. And higher low, created higher low here again, and move up again. Can you see? This is another place for you to buy. It's a trending market, trending up, uptrending. It's trending up. It's uptrend market. So any uptrend market to buy, and at this place you can also buy from here to this place. Then, but any downtrend market you sell, this lower low, lower high. This place is a typical place for you to sell. You can sell from here. You can sell from here. You sell to this place. Now, we call this place sideways the other time. From here to here, you can sell. From here to here, you can buy. But actually, when it broke this place downward, you'll be saying like, see this market wants to sell. Then, you can, when it pulls back, like from here is another place for you to buy, to sell rather. Is another place for you to sell. You can actually sell from this zone, then sell to this place, pull back a little bit, sell downward. So these are the places where you can sell or you can buy. Okay, that is it about trades and places that you can buy from. So study your chart very well. It will help you a lot. Thank you and take care of you.